Oh my god, viewers, I'm just playing Minecraft, and there's like 50 zombies chasing me! I wonder where my dog went, though. He was attacking the zombies. Just in a VC with a friend.
Yeah.
His name is Taco. Oh my god, my dog was hit by a creeper explosion and it's still alive. It's finally daytime.
Like, where are you, in a mine? What biome?
No, I'm just in a river, and there's like 50 zombies chasing me. And a lot of them have enchanted gear. Save me, doggy! Oh, one of them turned into a drowned zombie. It's so fast in the water. Fall back, fall back. What? Oh my god, they're so fast in the water! Why is there a creeper? A pity. But this isn't the valley. But luckily, this place is the valley that I live in. So I should be able to get back soon. Or that photo down. Where are the chords? Negative 19,400. That isn't too far. Apparently AMC has a friend that's much stronger than him. That's stronger than him.
Okay. Oh boy.
What?
That'll be tough for you if you have to like get away to like 4v2 them, or even 5v2.
Why does this zombie have my gear? He's wearing my armor. I was like, why does this zombie have iron armor? And I realized it's my iron armor. It's one of the zombies that killed me. But apparently zombies despawn after they kill you. No, doggy, don't hit him towards me! Oh my god, I kind of freaked out there. I fought AMC's friend. And yeah, he's really strong.
Like stronger in skill or
skill. Out of 20 battles, I was only able to kill him twice. He won all.
In what type of duel?
Classic. I was only able to kill him 2 times, and that was mostly because of luck. We had 1 draw. We both killed each other that time, but I count that one as a loss. I fought 5 rounds with AMC. I fought AMC for 5 rounds. He killed me.
All 5?
Well, he killed me 4 out of 5. I got lucky in the first round. He wasn't going full tryhard. And the moment he goes full tryhard on me, he can destroy me.
Yeah, that makes sense.
How strong are you compared to AMC? I heard he says that you're stronger than him. Hello?
Hello.
When we were originally when the crematorium were originally planning attack, I said that I said that we should try wiping out both AMC and his friend at the same time. But then
Yeah, it makes sense.
I realized that we'd get destroyed. After a while of thinking, I realized I died again in the same spot. Ugh. I realized we'd get destroyed. Because there was 4 of us that were planning the attack, including me. But then I realized that it's gonna be difficult for us to take them both on. Even with the 4th best player, the 3rd best assisting us, there's no way the 3rd best is one of the crematorium. Even with him assisting us, our chances of winning are pretty low.
Is that such a big skill gap?
What?
Is there like a big skill gap in like the 4 of you?
Well, it's between the 4 of us. Wait, you mean
Yeah.
the crematorium?
Yeah.
In the crematorium, I have the highest skill level. At my peak, I had the highest skill level.
I'm like, are they so much better than you that it's such a big skill gap between those, like your top 2 and their top 2?
Our top, yeah, there's quite a big difference. It's no small gap. At most,
Might have to deafen it for a second. Sorry.
I can at most get the AMC and his friend down to 3 hearts at most. And so then I decided to take out AMC first because he's more important. Even though he's not the best PvPer on their team, on the other team, he's one of the most important ones. He's more important to the Salient compared to his friend. His friend is not on very often.
Now don't tell me you've never walked free diamonds. Allow me to explain. Diamonds always spawn -4 on the z-axis from lapis. So in this case, we could mine 1, 2, 3, 4, and most likely down.
Alright, I'm back to being undeafened.
Diamonds tend to be closer together, so you only want to mine
you're
maybe
deafened?
3 blocks.
Yeah.
I never realized.
Instead of 4. Sometimes the counting will cross a truncal border, as in this case here. When that happens, you will need to move to the other side of the trunk and continue counting from there.
And the rest of my so besides the third,
4.
so even though we have the 3rd best and 4th best
Sometimes,
on our team,
if the diamonds try to
that's
spawn on
including
the
me.
edge trunk here,
I'm the 4th
then
best.
they decide to
We
spawn
still
on the
still
other
can't
side of
win.
the trunk. So here,
There's too much of a
1,
gap difference
2,
between
3,
the
they
top
should
2 and the
spawn
top
on the other side of the trunk, but no,
and the
they
3rd and
spawn
4th
right
place.
here on this side.
Yeah.
So,
That makes sense.
Even
Over,
so we
can't
wanted
find
to
it
do a
where it should
4v1.
be, then,
I mean,
check
4v2.
the other side of the trunk. Directly on the opposite side.
The 3rd best
Might
job is to
benefit
deal with
greatly.
the 2nd best with
Yeah.
with the
I
other
found
guy.
this pattern
With
while
the
learning
other
about
guy, the
gravel
crematorium
clay,
leader assisting him.
Diamond spawn.
But then I realized, and then
positions.
after thinking of it for a while,
If you want to know more about finding
I'm
diamonds,
certain
you
that they
wanna
can
go
kill the
check out that
crematorium
video
leader. No, I
on
mean,
my YouTube
sorry, wrong
channel.
one. I'm certain they could
any
kill the
input
Salient leader,
on
but
what
I
could be
doubt
done
that I
in
can
my
hold
videos,
off
then
the
make sure.
I
to,
have my.
let me know
I
in the
doubt that I can
comments.
hold off
And,
the
thank
top
you
the
very
top
much for
player
watching, and
long
have
enough
a great rest of your day.
for them to finish off the silent leader. So I decided to attack the silent leader first, and I decided. Well, so I meant. Well, I forgot. What was I gonna say? So there was four of us. One guy's job is to prevent the opponents from escaping. And my job was to hold off the number one player while the rest of the teammates were killing the salient leader.
You all have netherite or?
Well, I have the worst gear. I'm an iron currently, but I'm getting a bunch of diamonds right now. But and I realized we couldn't. After us playing for a bit, I realized it's gonna be hard for us to win. So I decided to lay out an ambush. I am teaming with a crematorium leader to finish off AMC. AMC is our top priority. Wait, axolotls can be tamed, right? Taco? Can axolotls be tamed? Interesting. I just got an axolotl in a bucket.
Nice. What axolotl?
A pink one. Mining blocks is really satisfying. Ooh, gold. Interesting. I like the 1.17 textures.
They have different tech. Oh, of the ores?
Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, it's burned! Darn it! That was 6 diamonds down the drain. Well, I have 5 at my base, though. I really only lost some iron. Ah, darn it.